If you are a wedding or a portrait photographer and your images have uneven skin tones, then this magical slider in Lightroom will convert your image from this to this. Import the image to Lightroom Classic and go to the Develop module here. Once you're in the Develop module, click on the masking icon. This opens up the masking panel. Also, you can see a person attribute automatically identified by Lightroom. Click on the person attribute. This will open up components that are recognized with this person here. Since blemishes are present only in the facial region, that is the cheek and the nose area, we'll just select the facial skin and create a mask out of it. Go to the point color section here and take the eyedropper icon and select an area where you think there is natural skin tone. So I'll select some area somewhere near the lips here. This creates a color swatch for the natural skin tone color. Now the magic lies in this slider called variance. Just reduce the variance to see how magically it transforms. This was how it was before and this is how it is now. If you found this helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.